Let's talk about our amazing makeup erasing towels. You guys know that I am absolutely obsessed with these. They're gonna have a microfiber take off your makeup side, and then the side with the tag is a very gentle exfoliation side. It's very, very easy to do this, guys. So I have a little thing of water right here. You get it sopping wet with warm water, whatever you can handle, and then you literally, on your eyes, you go in circular motions, and you're gonna see that makeup wipe right off. Look at all of my makeup coming off by a simple circular motion. This is gonna make it to where when you actually cleanse your face, you are cleansing your face, you're not smearing your makeup around. As you can tell, I only did one half of my face. All of my makeup over there is removed and I can't even look in a mirror. So this is amazing, guys. It takes off all of your makeup. There's a cleansing side and then there's a makeup removing side. We have so many colors to choose from. This brand is patented, so you cannot find this makeup eraser anywhere else other than the Makeup Eraser brand. I love it, guys. It's very easy to use. You just get your towel wet with warm to hot water. You go in circular motions and it's gonna remove all of your makeup, and then easy peasy. After the whole towel is full, you can use it 3 to 4 times depending on how much makeup you have on. You can wash it with your towels and then throw it in the dryer and dry it, and it's gonna last up to 300 washes. Happy makeup removing.